Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrid. 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 Acrid is an adjective used to describe something that has a strong, pungent, and often unpleasant taste, smell, or effect. It is typically associated with a bitter, sharp, or biting quality. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the acrid smoke from the burning tires made it difficult to breathe. Why acrid is used in example number 1. Acrid describes the unpleasant, sharp quality of the smoke. Example number 2, the lab technician wore a mask to protect against the acrid fumes of the chemicals. Why acrid is used in example number 2. Acrid indicates the harsh, potentially harmful nature of the fumes. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.